Connecting through Microsoft Teams. Virtual appointments through Microsoft Teams allow you to connect remotely for an experience similar to an in-person appointment. You can share your computer screen with your advisor so they can provide clarity within the different screens of your student portal. Here is how to connect with your academic advisor through Microsoft Teams. You will go to untdallas.edu/advising and it will take you to our academic advising website. From here, you're going to click on the menu on the left-hand side that says Academic Advising and then Meet with your advisor. This page will go over all of the information on DropIn Advising, so be sure to look over joining the drop-in queue first before you connect through Microsoft Teams. So you must make sure that you check yourself in through EAB Navigate, and then after checking yourself in, you are going to go to your advisor's name and click on their join meeting link. From here, you can click on join through your browser. You do not have to download Microsoft Teams in order to complete the appointment. So once you click on that, make sure you allow Microsoft Teams to have access to your microphone and if there's a camera, but you absolutely do not have to show your face. It just makes it easier for your academic advisor to see your screen by using Microsoft Teams. You can also select join through the phone and we can connect with you over the phone through Microsoft Teams. It will take you to a screen where you will need to type in your name. That way your academic advisor can locate you. And once you enter in your name, you are going to click join and it will take you to a lobby that your academic advisor will admit you in once they're ready to assist you. Also within Microsoft Teams, there's a toolbar that's towards the bottom. So when you're in the actual appointment with your academic advisor, you are going on that menu to click the square with an arrow pointing up that directs you to the share tray. And then on the bottom, it's going to give you a couple of options of how to share your screen, whether it's a particular document or your browser. So be sure to select the one that allows you to share your entire computer screen. After doing that, your advisor will be able to see your screen. And then once you are done with the appointment, you're going to click the red leave button to exit out.